Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to write a routine to exit a do loop. Let's incorporate the if statement. A space equals space 3. Then, and underneath we'll type exit do. The if statement is executed every time the loop runs. When the expression returns a true value, the exit do line inside the statement will execute and the loop will end. Okay, let's run and test it out. First step, second step, third step, and the loop is ended. This concludes our tutorial about writing an exit do loop routine.